Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick hod. First, understand its design. A V-shaped tray with a long handle, specifically crafted for carrying building materials. This tool is essential for efficiently moving bricks or mortar across a construction site. It can comfortably hold around 6 to 10 standard bricks or a significant quantity of mortar, making your work much easier and faster. When loading bricks, begin by placing them carefully into the V-shaped tray, starting from the end closest to the handle. It's vital to distribute the weight evenly across the hod to ensure stability. This prevents the hod from tipping unexpectedly as you move. Aim for a manageable load of about 6 to 8 standard bricks to maintain control and reduce strain. For carrying mortar, scoop it into the hod, making sure it's centered within the V-shape and not piled too high to prevent spillage. A hod can typically hold about 1/2 to 2/3 of a standard 5-gallon bucket of mortar. When carrying, keep the hod as level as possible and close to your body. This technique significantly reduces strain and helps prevent any messy spills on site. To carry the hod correctly, grip the long handle firmly with one hand while using your other hand to support the base of the tray. Then, carefully lift and rest the hod on your shoulder, allowing your body to bear the weight more comfortably. Walk slowly and deliberately, always keeping an eye on your path. This method ensures stability, reduces fatigue, and helps prevent accidents on the job site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.